Hey everybody, welcome to the camper salon. Today we're putting up LED ceiling lights. They're 6-inch. They're for sure going to be 4, but we have 6 in case we want to add more. This isn't a whole lot of ceiling. We're going to have one here, other side of the air conditioner, one right back here, and one right across from it. We may put one more in where the bathroom is going to be, and one more back there in the corner above the color bar. So, this is what we're doing. Shouldn't be too hard. Gonna get after it. Now, most of my work may be in high speed. If for some reason you need to see something slowed down, you can do that in your settings on your device you're using, and you can just slow the speed down to get a better view of what's happening. If you saw the teardown video, or the conversion video, all the little straps that hold the top down, I'm just reusing the screws out of that. The heads fit through the hole on the light. So, just reusing. Most of them are white anyway. Now here is the 6-inch halo. See, I've already got spots marked. That's how they're going to go up. Now, I'm not drilling into the ceiling. Yes, there's this panel, and then there's about this much foam between the very top. But I'm not going to drill into that and try to bore through the foam. What I will do is get some of this here. You can get this for your house. So it's just a channel. You set the base up, run your wires, flick that on over it, and hides it. So that's just what they use in these pop-up campers. So that's what I'm going to use, and I'm going to take the wiring here to the wall. As you can see at the top of this 2x2 here, that the wires run across it. And so there will be foam in here. Now there's already foam there, so I'm not going to re-foam the very top. But the panels will go on up to the roof. So I'm using this cavity here as wire chaseways. So what I'm going to do is bring the wire from the light over and tie it in back here. Use one of these strips here to hide the wires. The wires coming from the lights on this side are going to go through this chaseway here. And that's about an inch deep channel that runs right across the top. And it is hollow. And that'll allow me to bring the wires down to this side, which are going to go to the switch here. I'll do the same thing over here for these lights. Run the wires to the wall, run the wires to that wall. Same thing with that one there. That way you've only got those short strips that you have to hide, and you're not having to bore into the ceiling and try to figure out either how to bore through the foam or melt the foam and get your wires over to here. I mean, these aren't made out of a whole lot. So I would rather not disturb them if I can. So I'm going to put you back on time lapse. So here's the breaker panel. It's going to be in the little toilet area. I'm going to build a little room here. It's going to be a 50 amp service. It's going to have full breakers coming out of it. One to run the water heater, one to run the hair dryer, one to run the air conditioner, and one to run the lights, and a couple of receptacles. You can see that attached into the top of the studs. Now these studs are slash cut to mold to the front there, so I have to do that during install. But when the panel runs up to the ceiling, it'll hide all of that, so it'd be like a little chaseway there. So they run right around. These green and white here, that's the lights that's on the front, the marker lights. So they will all still be 12 volt. There you can see the light, how it's wired in. There it meets the yellow one coming across. This is where I need to put our hair dryer and flat iron. Here is for the air conditioner. Gotta strip that back and run that in. And then the lights. This light will get demoed, taken down. I'm making reuse this piece here. And you can see the old mechanism that lifts it up. So it's still there. I haven't actually screwed the board into it yet, but that's what I'm going to do. So that's what helps the wall keep its stability. Even though these are all screwed in, you can see them. I'm shaking the thing now. So it's going to move some as you move around because this flooring is very light. So this is all silicone. Once the insulation's in, I don't see any of that, and there'll be trim outside. That'll be one of the countertop receptacles. That'll be the box for the water heater that's going to sit right here underneath the cabinet. And that's what the blue line is across the floor there. There'll be a couple towers here on the corners to hold product. Our mirror will go here, and there'll be one of those fancy backlit mirrors. There's another outlet for foam or wax pop or something like that. And another one over here. We're going to have windows here. Well, we plan on having windows. We looked online and we can't find single page shed windows. They're all out of stock. So here's one of the few places I had to actually go through the studs. And I had it ran up this way to start with, and then forgot about the window. So if the window's going to be there, I actually just jumped it over here. So that receptacle will tie in to the power coming to the lights. And then we'll also, this will be a double switch box here, and so I'm going to put our porch light out. And then this comes through and goes down. There's a receptacle out on the porch. You can see how the studs sit in there. There's the spacer that I had to use. It pushes the stud out to make the wall flush with the outside of the camper. Air conditioner will stay, and that'll be a great help. Now you can see this door here. So this will get screwed down. But I believe what we're going to do, what we had talked about, is these panels here. Take them to a glass shop, get them glass put in. That way there'll be some more light coming in for it. So this is our update. Lighting in, electricals ran. Time to put up insulation. That'll be coming up soon. If you like what you see, please subscribe. Please like the video. More to come. Thank you for watching today.